Hey there. My name is James Wilkerson, and I am an adjunct lecturer at the University of Louisville Brandeis School of Law. I am so excited to be a part of the convention this year. I'll be there on Friday presenting my presentation, Wall of Windows. In my presentation, we're going to be taking a look at imposter syndrome. Whether you choose to use your law degree as a practicing attorney, or maybe you want to use it for anything else, imposter syndrome is something that still has the possibility of affecting us all. And in my presentation, we will be taking a look at exactly what it is. We'll be looking at the causes of imposter syndrome, specifically for us lawyers. And we'll also be going over a lot of good practical strategies to help mitigate it whenever we feel imposter syndrome kind of sinking in when we are out in the practice or even in law school. Very excited to bring this out to you guys. Very excited to connect with you at the convention. And if you want to connect with me beforehand, you can find me on Instagram, James J. Wilkerson. I should be the first thing that pops up. See you guys at the convention.